This is the manufacturing installation of the Lean Workshop Group event. Here we have an example production line of a manual assembly type with 2 operator stations on it. In the first station, with audience participation, we look to identify and remove any non-value added wastes and then go on to implement lean process improvements to enhance the assembly process. In the second operator station, we introduce Industry 4 level equipment to control and capture every step of the assembly process. We then go on to show how easy it is to achieve full traceability of a product through its entire life cycle.